actress and entertainer Eniola Badmus breaks down in tears as she asks fans to tell God to bless her with kids. Eniola Badmus made this plea during the Corporate Social Responsibility CRS outreach in Oshodi, Lagos, tagged Feed the Needy, in collaboration with Seyi Tinubu. During the event, Eniola Badmus, while reading a speech to gather crowd at the Midway Primary School, Shogunle, opened up on her desire to have kids. Eniola asked her fans to remember her in their prayers as she's eager to have her own children. While pleading with her fans, she broke down in tears.
Please continue to pray for me. Always mention me, Eniola Badmus, in your prayers. I'm waiting upon the Lord for kids. I'm waiting upon the Lord for children. Please pray for me.
Please continue to pray for me. Always mention me, Eniola Badmus, in your prayers. I'm waiting upon the Lord for kids. I'm waiting upon the Lord for children. Please pray for me and more opportunities so that I can serve you better. With your prayers and God by my side, I will continue to work together with you people and achieve a brighter and more prosperous tomorrow for many of our people. Thank you today, thank you always, and thank you forever. She expressed a deep desire to have children and provide for them, asking for continued opportunities to serve and support our community. Recall that Badmus' career in acting profession started in the year 2000, but came into limelight in 2008 when she shot to recognition starring in two Yoruba movies titled Jennifer and Omogeto. Both movies were instrumental to her rise and growth in the Nigerian entertainment industry. For latest breaking news and trending news updates, stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.